I'm gonna get Dad to do my makeup. What you think about that? Think I should get Dad to do my makeup?
No, me. Like your video.
You want to do my makeup?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do makeup?
Yep.
I don't know, y'all.
I'm going to do mommy makeup. Thank you, mommy. That hurt my face.
Sorry. Say hey, people.
Hey.
Hey, people.
Hey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nisha Love, and this is my daughter.
Hi.
Kamaya. What are you doing today?
Doing your makeup.
So let's get into it. You ready?
Yes. Look, this is the Royal Yumi. This is a flower logo. Gonna mix them together.
I'm scared. It's not none over there.
Your head?
No. For some reason. Okay. Oh goodness.
Yeah, I'm good at that.
You good? Is that it? Okay, so what's next?
Eyebrows.
So what are you gonna use for my eyebrows?
Eyebrow pencil. The other one turn around. I tickling you?
No.
I'm scaring you?
No, I'm sorry. Well, you're working on that one a little bit longer than you did the other one. Oh my goodness.
I'm making you like a monster.
What?
See, you look like a monster. You look like a monster.
Oh my gosh. You're not done yet? Wait a minute. What are you doing? Now what's next?
Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. I've never been doing your makeup before.
I know. Ow, Mama, be gentle.
Sorry.
Don't scrape so much.
Oh, sorry. I put one on your eyebrow. Hey, wait a second.
Ouch.
Sorry. It's off.
All right.
Ow!
That hurts, Maya. That hurts. Do it softly.
Okay.
All right, Maya. So what's next now?
Blush.
Blush. Oh my goodness. You gonna open it?
Yeah. How you open this?
There you go.
Can I make a circle?
What about this side?
I'm going to do it. I'm so tricky.
So what's next, Maya?
Eyelash.
What? That's, oh my gosh, my eyelids is getting stuck.
Is it on there?
Okay. You're gonna gentle.
I see it in your eyeball.
No, I'm scared you're gonna get it in my eye.
Oh yeah. I'll be so good at this. Bouncy nose. It's a bouncy nose.
All right, Maya, what's that?
Contour.
Contour?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Little highlighter.
My lids are getting stuck every time I blink. My goodness.
It gets so shiny. It's gonna be so shiny. It gets so shiny.
Mm-hmm.
It gets so shiny. It gets so sparkly.
Anything else you would like to add?
Lip gloss. Turn around, Abby.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. That's manners. Yeah. Oh, sorry! Yeah.
Please excuse my 7-month-old in the background.
You're like, thank you.
Welcome. Okay. So are we done?
Yes.
So what you think? How did you do?
Good.
Thank you, Kamaya, for doing my makeup today. I like it.
Thanks.
She's lying.
Oh, just.
Yeah, I think you accidentally put.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I messed up that. Comment, rate, and subscribe.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.